Welcome, my name is a Realme 6S, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So there's a couple of ways you can do it, and number one, we're both going to start with opening up the content that we wish to capture, which I'm going to use settings as an example. And from here, the first way of doing it is by holding power key and volume down. You get the sound and also animation right here. So there it is. Now let's just slide it away. So that's the first way. And the second way of capturing a screenshot is a little bit quicker, I would say. With 3 fingers, simply slide on the screen down, and there we go. And you also have the option to capture a scrollable one. Once you capture any kind of screenshot, you then slide it up, and you can see that this icon appears. Circular, you can see this thing. And when you tap on it, it will allow you to scroll through it. So from here, you want to scroll down as far as you want. It gives you a quick overview of how big it will be. So you can see the pixels right here. And once you have scrolled down as far as you want, tap on done. And it gets saved. As you can see, there is the screenshot. That's a scrollable one. And also there's another way of capturing it. Again with 3 fingers, but this time around, instead of just sliding, you want to hold the 3 fingers on the screen. You can see that it became gray, and now you can lift off 2 fingers out of the 3, or overall you just lift them all up, and you can see that it kind of looks weird right now, but this is because it allows you to resize the square or box. So you can choose a specific part of the display that you want to capture and create a really small box, for instance. Move it around so you can get a selection of whatever part of the screen you want. And once you have selected it, tap on save. And now all those screenshots can be found in the photo gallery, so let's open that up. And disregard all that, go to albums, and we should have screenshots album. And then here you can see this is the normal screenshot, then this is the scrollable one, and then there is the small one that we have cropped. So that is how you can capture screenshots, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.